In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cold email using GoHighLevel manually. By the end, you'll be able to build and send a clean, personalized cold email from scratch, keeping things simple and focused on results. Start by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard and heading to the marketing section. This is where all your outreach tools live. Inside marketing, choose emails. You'll see your email tools and scheduling options here. Look for the button to create campaign and select it to start fresh. When you're asked to choose a starting point, pick blank. This gives you full control without extra design elements that can sometimes hurt deliverability. Next, choose the plain text editor. Plain text looks more natural, lands in inboxes more reliably, and is perfect for cold outreach because it feels like a one-to-one message. Now it's time to write. Keep it short, relevant, and personal. Use the first name merge field, like hi lodge contact first name, to address each recipient directly. Introduce yourself briefly and explain your value in a single sentence. For example, I'm reaching out from our team. We help businesses like yours with contract review, compliance, or legal strategy. Follow with a simple call to action that asks for a quick reply or a short call this week. Close with a friendly sign-off, your name, and your firm or company. Avoid long paragraphs, jargon, and multiple links. One clear question usually earns more replies than a full pitch. When your message looks good, choose Send or Schedule. If you're scheduling, pick a time that matches your recipient's business hours to boost open rates. You'll be prompted to enter email details. Make sure the sender information is correct and that you're targeting the right contacts. Keep your audience tightly defined so the message feels relevant. Add your subject line. A concise option like quick question about your legal needs works because it feels personal and low pressure. Aim for 3 to 6 words, avoid spammy punctuation, and match the subject closely to your first sentence. Before you go live, click Review and Send. This is your moment to double-check spelling, links, merge fields, and the sending time. If everything looks right, click Confirm and Send. Your campaign is now on its way. A quick recap. Go to Marketing, open emails, create a new campaign from blank using the plain text editor, write a short personalized message, choose to send or schedule, enter your email details and subject line, review, and confirm. Keep it human, keep it simple, and you'll give your cold emails the best chance to be opened and answered.